Hi all, welcome to another episode of Kamal Tech Vlog. In today's episode, what we are going to do is, as I told you in the previous video, I'm going to go ahead and unbox a new webcam which I ordered from Amazon, and the clarity of this webcam is as equal to a Elgato Facecam or even a Logitech 922, which most of the people go C922, which most of the people use for recording purposes apart from DSLR cameras. So let me open this and I'll show you all the features, what all is available in this, and I will unbox the complete package for you also. So let's start with the unboxing process. Okay, so this is the box which I got from Amazon. It's been quite a while I got this box, but I have not yet opened it. So first let me open this up. We do not need this cover, we'll set it aside. So if you can see over here, as soon as I open it over here, I'll give you a closer look. It's called as Fingers 1080 megapixel camera. Okay, now about the features. If you can see this clearly, let me try to get a good angle for this. It is a versatile web camera. It has a true 1080 wide angle also over here lens. That is for YouTube or anything. If you need a wide angle lens, this camera has that. It is a 1080 high resolution. It has a stunning clarity over here, if you can see this, and it has a built-in high USB microphone, which is usual, and it has a premium sound and hidden lens is there inside the main lens for dust and everything, protection wise. And as you can see, this is the webcam, Fingers webcam, high resolution, maximum clarity. So let me just open this. Okay, so as you can see, the camera is over here. So first, what is available in the box? Directly as soon as you open, you can see that there is a camera available. So that's beneficial. You don't have to worry about anything else. Okay. So as we remove the camera, there is another protective case inside the cardboard. And below that is the thank you note and Fingers how to use quick start guide and everything. Okay, to be said first, you can see over here, this is the main camera, and this is the start light. When you go ahead and record, this will be on, and this is another sensor over here, and this is the microphone. I'll show you clearly. This is the microphone, two sensors and one microphone, and this is the camera. So inside is the lens, and this is the fake lens outside so that dust is not involved. That's the first benefit. Second benefit is this is a USB one. You can connect it to USB and go ahead and use it. Third is, you see over here, you can go ahead and fit it to any of the computers or any of the devices you have. Plus, if you just close it, you'll be able to see that it has a 1 by 4 inch tripod option also, where you can attach this to a tripod. If you're recording a video, you can use that option also. This camera can be used in two ways. One, you can use this for having a side cam, and the other purpose for this is you can use it for having doing any unboxing video or anything like that. So in this camera, if you see the reflection above, you'll be able to see I have another fingers camera above over there, which is actually having the red light as well as the green light showing what is happening in the unboxing, and it's also going ahead and helping me by going ahead and making this unboxing video for this. And as you can see, the clarity is good over here with this camera. It's not bad at all for making any unboxing videos. It's all up to the lighting what you're doing. I have kept a dull light so you can see like it's kind of dull over here, but you can go ahead and do your lighting better, by which you'll be able to do this. So my review for this camera, because I am already using the same camera and this is the second one I have bought, you can see the clarity over here. Let me just remove this camera from here, and you can see the clarity, how much you can see over here. If I just keep it upside down, if you see, the light is reflecting over here, but if you take it a little bit up, you'll be able to read the fingers. 1080 higher resolution camera. The box is little glossy, so it's reflecting the light a little bit, so you can see this problem. But apart from that, the clarity is awesome, and it is an ultra wide camera also, as I had mentioned to you. So I would tell you, you can go ahead and purchase this if it's not in your budget to buy a expensive DSLR or a Logitech C922, 930, or even an Elgato face cam. Now you'll be asking a question: how much does it cost? Okay, let me tell you that. Let me come to my main cam so that I can go ahead and tell you the price of. If you go to Amazon, you'll be getting this fingers cam. If you can see this, I wish the autofocus is right. Let me keep it a little far. Okay. So you can see even the DSLR is not able to focus this so clearly, but the fingers webcam is doing that well. So if you see, what I'll say, the price in Amazon.in for the same cam is about 2,199 to 2,499. There are various shops and everything. But if you go to an offline store next to you, you will get this for 1,800 rupees. If you do remember, I had bought a Zebronics camera. Let me just check where it is. Okay, this is Zebronics camera which I had purchased, had unboxed it and everything for you. And this camera is actually garbage compared to this, because fingers camera is very good, and even this camera came for 1,800 rupees. It has no ultra wide. The lighting of that is so bad that it will show your face so white in color when you go ahead and connect this camera. That's the reason I bought an additional camera of fingers itself, because I didn't want to go ahead and use that camera for any of my shooting purposes. But in this camera, as I'll just go back to the camera above to show you, if you'll be able to see, it is rightly distributed. My hand is not that white. The color contrast is so good. But in this camera, you had the ultimate problem of the color contrast and everything. See, even in this camera, how clear everything is mentioned by using the fingers cam, which I'm using it for unboxing. It is so clear. So what I can go ahead and tell you is, if you want a camera, go ahead for this without any hesitation. Then in Amazon, if you buy, you have the warranty to return it within 7 days or something for all electronics. And in case you want to go for offline store also, even they will give you a proper warranty of 6 months to 1 year. If you're buying, because they give you the bill along with it for 1,800 rupees, what you're going to pay and buy. And I would say, in case your budget is not so high to buy a high-end camera, you can go for this. This is a well-deserved one. And I hope this video helped you out to pick this camera, because not only I showed you the features over here, like as I told you the features, it is a wide angle lens. It has a stunning and incredible detailing and full 1080 pixels and high quality USB microphone also. And you can use this for streaming, Zoom calls, Facebook Live, and various other things, whichever you want to go ahead and connect and use this for. So this is one of the best cams in a lower budget. If you see 1,800 rupees, it is nothing actually. If you check it out in dollars, it will be like about not even $20 to be compared to. It will be about $15. If you're 15 to $17, if you compare and see that. So that it's dirt cheap in dollars if you want to go ahead and check this out. And you can check the quality yourself if you're not able to see the quality of the top cam which I showed you. But the quality is very good, and you can check it in the store before buying that. And I will be making another video of the side cam, how I'm going to set it up and everything. I'll show you, because my main cam is a DSLR which I'm using, the Panasonic Geolomix, and my top, all using a fingers webcam, and I'll be setting up the side cam also. And I bought an additional uh, C clamp over here, which I'll be using to go ahead and set my top cam properly for having a better display over here. As I told you, the lighting is reflecting at the moment, so I have to have a better display. At the moment, I'm using a boom mic, that's it. So I'll be using the C clamp to go ahead and fix it properly. And I'll be showing you the video for that also, and also show you how I'm going to fix this as my side cam. I've got a tripod especially for that. And in case you like this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe and give your love for the video. And please go ahead and comment below so that I can go ahead and make videos like this for you. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.